Hey Harvey, the Silver Fox with another classic car AI video. I'm producing this AI video with my AI tools to show you how our AI image and video generating tools work. At the end of the video, I will give you instructions on how you can request I produce a free AI custom video for your favorite classic car, and give you these AI video generating tools for free so you can produce your own AI videos. And that's not all. Give you a ready-to-go AI profit opportunity where I will do the selling for you. Okay. Happy Marks is a free Amplify AI workshop member and requested I produce a free AI video of their 1962 Ferrari 250 GTO classic dream car that they can share with others. So let's check out Happy Marks' 1962 Ferrari 250 GTO classic dream car. Side note, all of our free and plus members can request their own free AI classic car video by giving me the details of their classic dream car. The 1962 Ferrari 250 GTO is one of the most iconic and valuable cars in the world, renowned for its successful racing history and exquisite design. Only 36 units were ever produced between 1962 and 1964, and all are still accounted for, making them extremely rare. How much does a Ferrari 250 GTO cost? Upon initial release, the price point of the Ferrari 250 GTO sat at $18,000. While roughly $150,000 in today's money may have been a distinguishing prerequisite, each owner was personally approved by none other than Enzo Ferrari himself. Each model is currently found among the most exclusive collections of automotive enthusiasts the world over. So while price is a point of interest, many set this fabled GTO in the realm of a priceless trophy. How much does a Ferrari 250 GTO cost today? Most recently, the Ferrari 250 GTO sold for $48,405,000 by RM Sotheby's in 2018. Breaking its own record at the time, the Ferrari 250 GTO held the title as the world's most expensive car sold at auction for over 4 years. The price of the Ferrari 250 GTO is significant, but you can expect similar figures anytime one of the 36 models makes its way to the auction stage. Key specifications. The 250 GTO was developed for the FIA's Group 3 Grand Touring Car category, with 250 referring to the cubic centimeter displacement per cylinder and GTO standing for Gran Turismo Homologado, Grand Touring Homologated. The aspect detail. The engine, 2953cc Tipo 168 Comp 62 Colombo V12 engine. The power output, approximately 300 horsepower, 296 HP, 221 kW at 7,500 RPM. The transmission, 5-speed manual all-synchronous gearbox. The bodywork, hand-formed lightweight aluminum body by Scaglietti. The top speed, capable of nearly 174 mph, 280 km/h. The weight, approximately 880, 950 Q, 1940 to 094 lbd curb weight. The chassis, lightweight tubular steel chassis with enhanced rigidity. 1962 Ferrari 250 GTO to cross Mecum block. The unique Bianco Speciale example is among the rarest Ferraris ever built. By Natalie Neff, published Jan 07, 2026, 5:12 p.m. EST. You have just a few days to start your GoFundMe, cash in your 401k, hit up your rich old Aunt Betty, or otherwise come up with the funds to get your hands on this, the sole Ferrari 2150 GTO to roll out of the factory donning a white paint job, known as Bianco Speciale. The ghost-colored prancing horse has some serious provenance to go with its unique coat, boasting a GT win and 5 second-place finishes, according to Mecum Auctions, the house behind the sale of this one-of-one Ferrari. And it counts a who's who roster of drivers to have taken the wheel, including Graham Hill, Mike Parks, Roy Salvadori, and Richie Ginther, among others. If you are watching this video after Jan 7th, oops, too late. Who owns the $70 million Ferrari, the highest priced Ferrari ever sold at auction? AI overview. The $70 million Ferrari is a 1963 Ferrari 250 GTO, chassis 4153 GT, owned by American entrepreneur David McNeil, founder and CEO of WeatherTech. He purchased the Tour de France winning Never Crashed Classic in a private sale in 2018, setting a record for the most expensive car ever sold at the time, according to sources like CNN and CNBC. Want to have me create a free custom, AI-generated classic car or truck image and or video for you that you can share with others? Keep watching to learn how. If you dream about owning a classic car from your younger years, I will produce an AI video for free that you can share with your friends and family. If you own a classic car or truck and want me to produce an AI video of your favorite classic, give me a photo and I will showcase it in your video I produce for you at no charge. Then you can share the video with your friends and family. If you own a classic car and want to sell it, I will produce an AI video of your car by giving me the photo and I will showcase it in your video. Then I will teach you how you can share your video throughout the internet or at car shows. This AI video works great for those who are looking to buy a classic car or truck for themselves, for resale, or for restoring. I will produce your AI video with the make, model, year, and color you are looking for, or if you wish, I will just keep it generic. Then I will teach you how to share your video on the internet and car shows for maximum exposure. Now it's time to talk about the several profit opportunities. Using these AI image and video generating tools, the AI tools I use to produce this AI generated video you are watching right now, one of my several passions in my life is classic cars and trucks. I love going to classic car shows, auctions, and museums, walking around looking at those classics from my teenage years. So I decided to turn that classic car passion into an AI profit opportunity, creating AI videos with my AI workshop affiliate referral link in the video. If you are just interested in the classics and could care less about the AI profit opportunity, that's okay. I'll still produce a free custom AI generated classic car image and or video for you that you can share with your friends and family. Plus, I will give you the AI tools for free so you can produce your own AI videos. But if you are interested in an AI profit opportunity for your passion in life, whether it be classic cars or trucks, cooking, sports, affiliate marketing, crafts, consulting, or any side hustle, then keep watching to learn how. However you want to use these AI video generating tools, you will want to join our Amplify AI workshop for free. Then find your affiliate referral link and program it into every AI video you produce. Now you will earn 40% monthly residual income when your viewers of your AI videos joins through your referral link, then becomes a Plus member. You will find the referral link in the description of this video. This is the first of several AI profit opportunities you have with our AI workshop. Keep watching to learn about another way. I understand that most of you have your own passion in life and want to use these AI tools to promote those passions, but why not use my already made, ready to earn AI classic car marketing system to start earning AI profits today while building your AI videos for your passions? The classic car market is a multi-billion-dollar global industry, valued around $30–40 billion annually and growing. With a massive US base of millions of collector cars worth over $1 trillion, seeing increased online sales and interest from younger buyers, driving demand for modern classics and supercars alongside traditional vintage models. Classic cars and enthusiasts can be found just about anywhere. Car shows, auctions, online dealers, Facebook, marketplace, car clubs, swap meets museums, just to name a few. Even if you are not a classic car enthusiast, there are millions of classic car enthusiasts waiting for you to offer them a free AI video for their favorite classic car or truck to buy for themselves, sell, restore, or just to show off to their friends and family. Here's how it works. This AI profit system is completely duplicatable. As an Amplify AI Workshop Plus member, I will produce an AI marketing video. Maybe like this one, placing your Amplify AI Workshop affiliate link in the description of your video, allowing you to earn 40% monthly residual income when the viewer of your video then becomes a Plus member. This is a powerful, duplicatable marketing system where I do the selling for you and your organization. I will also personally share your AI video in a QR code card I will talk about in the next scene with those millions of classic car enthusiasts at those classic car events I talked about earlier for you. And of course, you can do the same in your area while having fun looking at classic cars. When they join through your affiliate referral link, I will personally contact them and ask if they want me to produce a free AI classic car video for them. I will also notify you that you have a member in your AI workshop organization, so you can also contact them, letting them know how great this AI profit marketing system is. To help you recruit others into your Amplify AI workshop organization, I'm going to create QR code templates like the one shown in this scene, customized just for you. Now pause this video. Open your phone and the camera and take a picture of the QR code to see how this QR code card works. As a Plus member, I will create this QR code card just for you, programming your AI video in that card, and of course your affiliate referral link. I will give you the template to download, of which you can then print out on cardstock. These QR code cards are perfect to hand out at car shows, auctions, car dealers, car clubs, swap meets, museums. Just to name a few? Okay, let's get started. If you would like a free AI video for your classic car or truck, find the referral link in this video and join the AI workshop for free. I will then contact you in a chat with the info I need to produce your free classic car or truck AI video. Once your AI video is ready, I will post it in the community area so you can then copy the video link and share it with your friends, family, and business associates. I'll be waiting for you inside. To your success, Harvey Silver Fox.